the antique grill press, and you can look where my finger's pointing is the press right there. And it has a table down here to hold your material, and then your bit is put into this.
Let me come around you here.
The bit is put in this bracket here with a set screw right there to hold the bit. And as you turn the drill, the press operates to put the press on the material for drilling.
And
There.
where can you adjust the, you can adjust the number of teeth?
You can adjust the pressure by using this set screw right there.
Okay. Okay, and let me get that big wheel turning there.
This thing is in the same sort of condition as it was when it was born back in the early 1900s.
That's great, Uncle Bruce. That's good enough. Thank you.